All right, so I am in San Antonio, Texas. It's been a crazy morning so far. I had a whole bunch of meetings this morning, and it's about 12 o'clock. I am heading to the airport. I'm heading to Denver, Colorado, and I have been on the road every weekend for the last about a month or so. Maybe the next weekend I gotta go out of town. So going to Denver, Colorado to speak at a conference for artificial disc replacement. This is a procedure that we do to allow patients to have quicker recoveries. You don't lose your motion in like a fusion operation. So it's an alternative to a fusion procedure. And I have patients that travel all over the world to come and see me for this surgery and other services as well. So I'm actually I was invited to speak about social media and practice building, utilizing having a digital presence and the importance of branding. It's an honor to go and speak to the pioneers of this procedure, some of the people that first started doing this in the US, and which are my mentors because they taught me how to do this surgery. But these are the people 20 plus years ago, they did the first artificial disc replacements in the US, and I will be in the same room with them speaking on social media. It's just, it's such an honor. I'm fortunate to be able to do this on a national level and just be invited to speak all over about utilizing social media. So you guys are gonna hang out with me a little bit this weekend, and hope you guys learned something. We'll see you soon. So one of the things you have to do in practice when you're done with your training, especially if you are private practice, is to find out ways or figure out ways that you can continually learn. And that's either by going to different conferences, teaching yourself, taking courses, going to the cadaver lab, because in training, there's going to be people and set systems and curriculums that you have to follow, tests you have to take. Well, in practice, I don't have any tests anymore, but I have to continually learn. So one way we do that is to go to conferences like this, learn the newest techniques, constantly refining our skills, kind of like an athlete that reviews the game film and prepares for a big game. Well, as surgeons, we do the same thing. We prepare for surgery. And this is one of the ways we do that. So just landed in Denver, about to go meet my driver and then head to the hotel. The course actually starts tonight. We have a dinner as well as some lectures tonight, and looking forward to it. So it's one of the things that we do in practice. Even though I've been in practice for 6 years, I'm continually learning and trying to improve and trying to keep updated with the latest technology. So yeah, that's what's next. Hello. Hey, how are you?
Yeah, good, sir.
All right, so just made it to the room here in Denver, Colorado. Beautiful weather, man. Feels good to be here and it's not so cold or snowing. About to go grab a drink with one of my boys who's a spine surgeon as well and get ready for tonight. So see you soon. All right, so good morning. 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm heading downstairs to the conference. It is day number 2. Last night went well. We had dinner. We actually had the inventor of the artificial disc replacement that I use, who invented the device and the procedure many years ago. I was able to listen to him just talk about the history of it and why he developed the product and how he developed it. And yeah, it was good to just listen and get a historical perspective of the procedure. So today is more talks. We'll be talking about cervical artificial disc replacement as well as lumbar. And I'll be giving my talk today on social media and practice building. So I'm looking forward to it. Should be a good day. All right, guys, so just got done with my talk about an hour ago, and everything went well. I spoke to a group of probably at least 30, 40 orthopedic spine surgeons as well as neurosurgeons at this conference about the importance of having a digital presence and the importance of having a social media in your branding and all those things. So it went well. We're well received, and they're looking to do another conference like this. This was their inaugural conference, specifically focused on artificial disc disc replacements. And it was really cool to meet and take a picture with the inventor of the ProDisc L, which is a lumbar artificial disc replacement, which has dominated the market. A lot of great studies that support its use over the last 20 plus years. So I'm about to go head to dinner now with some friends and enjoy the rest of the city. I'm signing off for work and just about to enjoy the rest of the time. We'll see you guys soon. Alrighty guys, so it is 8 a.m. Just got up. I'm about to head to the airport, head back to San Antonio, but thank you guys for hanging out with me over this weekend. It was a great trip, very productive and very educational, and I'm just honored to have the opportunity to speak at meetings like this all across the U.S. So heading back to San Antonio and back to the grind.